Hello! Today I will tell you a story about a wise owl. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there was a wise owl named Ollie. He was known for his special ability to give wise advice to all the animals living in the forest. One bright morning, a young and curious squirrel named Squeaky came to visit Ollie. "Hello, wise Ollie! Can you teach me how to be as smart as you?" asked Squeaky. Ollie smiled warmly and said, "Of course, young one. To be wise, you must be patient and observant. Spend time watching and listening to the world around you. Learn from others, and you will gain wisdom." Excited to become wise, Squeaky started paying attention to everything around him. He watched the birds singing in the trees, observed the busy ants working together, and listened to the stories of older animals. As time passed, Squeaky grew wiser day by day. He couldn't wait to share his newfound knowledge with everyone in the forest. But Ollie gently advised him, "Sharing wisdom is essential, but it's also important to know when and how to share it." One day, after learning a special lesson from a wise old tortoise, Squeaky rushed to Ollie, eager to tell everyone what he had learned. But Ollie stopped him and said, "Wait, my young friend. Let others learn and discover things on their own too. Sometimes, the best lessons come from personal experiences." Squeaky understood and started listening more and talking less. He realized that he could help others by patiently listening to their problems and offering advice only when they needed it. As time went by, Squeaky became not only wise but also a great friend to others. He would listen to their worries and share his wisdom when they asked for it. The forest became a happier place because everyone felt valued and heard. The moral of the story: patience and listening are the keys to wisdom. By being patient, observing, and listening to others, we can learn valuable lessons and help others. So, my little friends, remember to be patient, listen to others, and share your wisdom when it's needed. Just like Squeaky, you can become wise and make a difference in the lives of others.